Alright, what's going on YouTube? Redicus back here. Hey guys, another video at the gas station. I didn't fill any gas, but I just decided to, film my car right here. So we're gonna go do a POV vlog. We're about to go golf and see what's up. Alright guys, back in the car. Let's give her a start. Very nice. So I installed a webcam, not a webcam, but like a dash cam actually. And so we have double the content going, potentially. I do want to make a compilation video of people's bad driving, because I witnessed a lot of bad driving in my area. And I want to document that and post it on YouTube. Be pretty funny. But anyways, like I said, I'm gonna go golf. Just want to give you guys another update video. It's beautiful outside right now. Might as well look at this. It's pretty cool. Just open the sunroof, get some more air flowing. Anyways, like I said, it's a beautiful day today. Gorgeous, gorgeous Maryland. That's where I stay at. Absolutely gorgeous scenery. I mean, it is looking really good. But I have my Oakleys on. Gonna go do some POV drives with you guys, and have some fun times.'t I cleaned my air filter. I had it in wrong. I don't know how I did that, but I had my air filter in wrong, I'd say. Just changed it and it feels a lot better now. It's having like some jittery acceleration. Look at all these red cars. Red Corolla up there, red truck. But like I said, I'm actually gonna close the sunroof just for the sound. I'll just crack it. What is this Toyota doing, bruh? Come on, man. But anyways, gonna go golf, gonna have a good time. What's that? Dude has two hands on the steering wheel going 55. I mean, is he like scared of the road? But anyways, gonna go golf, maybe do a POV vlog of me golfing. I don't know. I'm definitely like an amateur. I'm not pro by any means, but I am trying to get pretty good at it. I'm very competitive in sports, so I do want to get pretty good at golf. I haven't played 18 holes this year yet, I believe, or 9 holes either. But I do go to the shooting range a lot, because I do want to get my shot like perfect, basically, in my swing. And we're on that grind. I want to play people for money. Ultimately, I want to just play for money in golf. So that's my mission, to get better, or one of my goals this year, get better at golf. Been hitting the gym like every single day. Might do a fitness vlog as well. Right now I'm at like 182, I believe, last time I checked. 182, and that was on an empty stomach. So I was like 182. And I'm trying to get to 200. That's my goal, 200. It's a grind, man. You gotta eat so much food. But let's see, do I turn or keep going straight? Keep going straight. Hopefully we can catch this light. Yeah, we did. Yeah, we caught this light, bet. But it's beautiful weather out right now. I mean, oh my goodness. What's the temperature? 73. Yeah, this is like amazing weather right now. But like I was saying, guys, what am says 2.2 miles, turn left. Car feels so good right now. I mean, I wish I could have like my viewers in the passenger seat. It feels so good. 3 Series is best series. It's the ultimate driving machine. That's their motto. And it feels so good. Sounds good too, I mean. And I have no exhaust set up on it right now. But I mean, I know a muffler delete would sound good on this car. I could just tell. So I was looking online, and a lot of them, they're very restrictive, the muffler. It's not a lot of sound coming out the back at all. Compared to a muffler delete, I was looking at it online, it was pretty good. But there's a wagon in front of us, the next series above this one. Looks pretty good. Much bigger than the e90 series. I think it looks wider and longer, in my opinion. But that's like it's a low spec wagon. I don't know if it's low spec, but the engine, it's not like the 335 or 40i. I don't even know if they have those in wagon form. They probably do, 335 or 40i. I do want to get a B58 engine. Probably the 4 Series, I'd imagine. But yeah, it's a diesel also. But like I was saying, guys, I hope everyone's doing well watching this video. Shout out to all of you guys. I'm gonna try to do some car content this weekend, get some vlogs going. Go check out my other recent videos as well. I have a lot of dope vlog content. I went to these like car shows, and they were really awesome, showcasing like supercars, stuff like that. Oh man, I missed a light. Wow, that's also the other dream car, the dual motor. I mean, that's a sweet ride. Had a boo-boo on the back of it as well. But these lights are killing me, guys. Usually I'm on the back roads, there's no lights, but this time I was just out and about. Decided to make a little quick YouTube video. And so here we are. But this is just like a view of my area. It's very suburban. But I like the mix of it. Like, look at all those trees. Oh my goodness. They're all blooming. But this light takes a while. Actually, nope. Never mind. Changed right away. Look at that tractor right there. I don't know what that guy's doing. No one's in it. Just a dead tractor. I think I turned left here. Yep. Like I said, guys, shout out to everyone watching this. Love you all. We're just out here getting the content, and you know, stay tuned for more. I don't want to keep you guys holding too long, but make sure you like this video, subscribe. Catch you guys soon. Break us out. Peace.